Affiliate marketing on TikTok without showing your face. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use affiliate marketing on TikTok and you don't even have to show your face. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, you have your TikTok account over here. So this is TikTok, right? Now, TikTok is a very popular platform right now, and you have this great opportunity to promote your products or promote your affiliate links onto TikTok, because it's not just for fun and games, right? And let me just show you what I mean. So first things first, if I come over here at the top and I search for dog training, right? If I come over here onto accounts, over here, what we can do is we can choose this account right here. Let's just choose this account. And over here, as you can see, we have this link over here. This is a promotional link. This is an affiliate link. This is a bit.ly link. So this is also an affiliate link, so he's making double money. So what he's basically doing is just uploading funny dog videos from the internet, not even his own dogs. So you can do the exact same thing. All you have to do is create an account, upload a few funny videos about your own particular niche. Which is very important. You also have to find your own niche. So if you don't have your own niche, then you can't really do that. Pick a niche, stick to it, and don't do like other things as well. Otherwise your audience might get confused. Pick a niche and stick to it, and then upload your videos. So right now, as you can see, this person has like quite a lot of followers, like 54,000 followers, and they must have checked out this link, right, because of these dog videos. And let me just show you another cool channel right here, which is called Manifestation Candy. Now what this person is doing, he also has his own affiliate link, his own product link. What this person is doing, he's uploading like a scenery type of video that you can also find online. He's added a few filters, and then you can receive, and then he's like added these quotes on it, like motivational quotes or stuff like that, and then he's added his own link into his own description. So this is what I mean, right? This is how you basically do it. Create an account, get an audience, pick a niche, and then once you have developed a certain level of audience, then you can go ahead and start selling your products. Now, how you basically do that. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this website called pexels.com. Now, this is a free website where we can find a free stock images about anything. So let me just show you. I search for dogs over here. We have some images over here. Let's go over to switch to video, right? So these are all stock free images of dogs that we can download and upload onto TikTok. Now, as you can see, some of the orientation is different, like some are landscape, some are like portrait. So what we can do is we can come over here onto the right side, and underneath orientation we have horizontal, vertical, or square. We're gonna choose vertical because we're gonna be uploading these on TikTok. So we have all these vertical videos that we can download, right? We can go ahead and download them, and then we can upload them onto our TikTok. So this video looks pretty fine. Like this person is this person is walking 5 dogs, which is not easy, and these dogs are pretty well behaved. Then we can upload this image as well, or this one as well. This I think is pretty funny, or a cute dog video that we can upload, which is pretty cool. So it's pretty simple. Like as you can see, we already found our source of content. All we need to do is now we need to like download them or add a filter or edit them if we want to, or we can just simply upload them as they are. And then once we have followers, and once we have made a certain level of following, then we can go ahead and upload. Then we can go ahead and add our affiliate link. So pretty simple. Now, the other channel that I mentioned is called Manifestation Candy, right? So what this person basically does is, as I said before, he uploads like scenery type videos or money videos or stuff like that, and adds like motivational quotes. And we can see over here at the top, he has his own affiliate link. Now we can do the exact same thing over here. So if I search for like beach, so we have these beach videos as well. So I think this one looks pretty cool. As you can see, this video right here, we can go ahead and download this video. This video is perfect for a little bit of motivation quote. What we can do is we can download this video and add a quote over here at the top, and then maybe like add a sweet little background music, like something that fits along the video, which would be pretty amazing. So what we can do now is we can go ahead and download this. We can download the image. Let's go ahead and save it right here. And while it's downloading, let's go ahead and open canva.com. Now, as you can see, Canva is a pretty amazing website. What we can do here is we can create our post over here. So we have Instagram posts, infographics, Instagram stories, and whatever. I think there's a TikTok over here, right? Let's go ahead and click on video. And over here, we have Instagram reel. We have TikTok video over here. Let's go ahead and open up TikTok video right here. And what we can do next is we can go ahead and upload our video over here. Let's go ahead and choose our video. Let me go ahead and sign in. Let's go ahead and upload our own video right here. Wait, let's just wait a couple of seconds for the video to be uploaded. And as you can see, I already have this video right here that we can, go ahead and use as well. Well, let me just go ahead and widen that out. There we go, something like that. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice. What we can do is we can add our quotes over here, right? And maybe like add a different background music, and then it will be perfect. And to find like quotes and stuff like that, what we can do is we can come over here onto brainyquotes.com. Now this is a pretty amazing website to find quotes from every person that has ever had a little bit of influence, and some are pretty, beautiful. This one right here: a beautiful woman delights the eye, a wise woman the understanding, a pure one the soul. I think that's pretty good. I don't know what the meaning, because I'm not really into that kind of stuff, but it is what it is. When you leave a beautiful place, you carry it with you wherever you go. So I think this one looks pretty cool. Well, let's go ahead and copy this one, and we'll go back to Canva, and over here let's go ahead and add a text right here, and come over here and maybe like paste it over here, right? And then we can go ahead and make it a little bit big. Think that this is it. Then what we can do is maybe we can change like fonts and maybe like color. Let's go ahead and choose a white one or a gray one, maybe like a white one. Or if we want, we can keep it black and put it down below. Let's go ahead and increase the size if we can. Here we go, something like that. I'm just showing you how I basically do it, but you get the idea, right? And then what we can do next is we can download it, and once it's downloaded, we can go over back to our TikTok account and then just sign up, log in, and upload our own TikTok. And then once we have do this for a couple of times or maybe like weeks, then when we start to build a following, then we unload our affiliate link, and then we can start making money online through TikTok, and without even having to show our face or anything like that. So as you can see, it's pretty amazing. It's pretty simple. You don't have to do a lot of work. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to create content. You don't even have to worry about that. Like, you can find a lot of other websites like this online, and then you can go ahead and add them. You can find quotes over here. You can use canva.com to create your own videos, and then just simply enter in your product link over here into the videos or into your own account, and then you will start to gain traffic to your affiliate link and start making money online. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, before I end this video, I do want to tell you another thing, that where you can find your affiliate links. Now, we have a couple of different options. So we have JVZoo over here. This is a pretty amazing affiliate marketing website where you can find different products online that you can sell. Basically, you can find products of any niche, such as you can find softwares, you can find like promotional videos, or you can find like products like I showed you about the dog training video. You can find those types of products as well. Now, if you don't like JVZoo, another website that I have for you guys is munchai.com, and it's pretty amazing as well. You can see you have all these different products to promote from. Choose whichever one you want, and you can go ahead and promote them. And another great website is Clickbank. It's one of the best ones out there, but not a lot of countries have access to Clickbank. So I would suggest that you would try JVZoo or Munchai, whichever one works. It's best for you. Now, having said that, you can find your affiliate links or affiliate products from these three websites. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.